Hi and welcome to just a quick little video today. I am going to be doing a review for the Olight Baton 3 Premium Torch. So anyway, I'm going to start by doing a little unboxing for this and then we'll move on from there. Okay, so came boxed, bagged in this, and this is how it comes. Just cellophane box. So let's get into this. Right, let me just give this a cut. So it's the Olight Baton 3, the Premium Edition, this one. It's a limited edition. It's got a nice magnetic side here. Box opens up. Welcome to the Olight family. Enjoy your next level EDC experience with this Baton 3 Premium Edition. Nice little message. So we've got, this is just a plastic front here, and it just basically congratulates me and tells me what the next step is to do, which I'll show you in a minute anyway. So just lift that off there. Underneath, pull this bit out, and it's in this little bag here. So let's have a look at this first. We'll open this up. It is beautiful, actually, a beautiful orange. Don't know if you can see, the lighting in here isn't the best. I'll lift it up. Oh, it's got a little tab on there. I'm presuming it's because this is the charging dock as well. So I'll come back to that in a second. What else have we got in here? So we lift this packaging up. It reminds me quite a lot of Apple, the way this is packed actually. And that's a lovely little touch, just saying thank you on the inside there as well. Nice box. There's also a 5-year warranty promise on this. So inside here, that's just to pull it out. We've got the lithium charging cable. That's got a nice little holder on there. Little caps on the end. USB-C. Microfiber cleaning cloth, and your instructions, user instructions, and your warning document. So let's have a look at this now. Right, let's put that up. Right, oh, look at that. That's a right little beauty. So yeah, this is the charging dock, and it was obviously magnetic. I could feel the drawer on it, pulling it back in. It's got quite a strong magnet on there actually. There's no way that that would fall out. Now let's undo this, because I think the first thing it asks you to do is just to unscrew it. Unscrews nicely. And remove this. Now this is the little battery that comes with it. Little rechargeable battery, 3.7 volts. So I'll put this back on here now. Got some charge in there. Oh yeah, you have. So that's it, set to go. And actually what happens now is this, when you charge this cradle here, it will then charge, it'll fully charge the Baton 3 3.7 times once this is fully charged. So you just slot it back in and you'll see there's a little light there. It's on red because I think it needs charged. Yeah, there's no light on there, but then it actually, that's for the charging of here. So it's obviously, it may be actually charging it from the dock already. It's got a lovely little clip on there, really nicely made. Lovely, and it's tiny. I mean, I've got really small hands, but it's small, and I mean, the actual torch is tiny. That's a magnetic bit on the bottom. That can be used anywhere. So you can stick it to your fridge front if you wanted. This little clip here, this is great because it can clip on a little hat, or it can clip on your belt, because it's got the clip that goes both ways. So that actually would be really handy. Right, I'm going to get this charged up, and then I'll come back and we'll do a little bit of talking about it. Okay, so I've quickly charged it up. When you actually put your USB-C in there and connect it to the mains, it comes up a red light on the front. There's just a tiny little bit. I don't know if you can see it. This light I've got here is absolutely terrible, but it's in there. And then when it's charged, it actually goes green. And as you can see, this one is green on here now. Can you see that? Tiny little light anyway, and it is green. And that means that it's actually charged in the dock. So what I'm going to do, it's very difficult in here to actually show you a torch. So I'm going to get a bit of footage in here just to show you, because there's not just one setting here. There's 3 different settings, and then moonlight setting, and then a turbo setting. But I'm going to do it off the reflective here just so that you can see. So once I switch it on now, this is just, this mode here would be fine for reading. To be honest, it's not very bright. It is daylight outside, so it's not easy to tell. Then if you press and hold it again, it gets a little bit brighter. Press it, hold it again, it's on high mode. Now if I double press it now, that's super high mode. I can't tell you how bright this light is. It's actually glaring. Now if I was to press it 3 times now, I'll get strobe. I'm not going to put that on for long because I don't want that to affect anybody, because it is really amazingly strong. So I'm going to go and do some testing outside, because the only way I'm really going to know how good this is, and that is to get it out in the woods. So I'm going to show you that now, and then I shall come back and I'll tell you my review. So far I really like it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that bit of footage. I don't even think that the camera did it justice, just how bright this was. Honestly, it was just like, I was testing it out after that, and I was actually shining it out of my window here in the kitchen, and it's about, it's a good 30 metres until we hit the trees, even from in the house, and it looked like it was daylight outside. The span of this little torch is massive. I was so surprised. And also, when I was out and about, I had that big blue jacket on, of course it was chucking it down with rain. I actually clipped this onto the side of the jacket up beside my face, and then it actually was just shining ahead. And the other thing that this clip here does is it actually will go onto a cap. So if you wear a cap, and I mean it is really solid, it's not going to come off. You wear a cap, it's really good for a torch for the front of your cap. So all in all, really, this video, will be going up because I am really impressed. This is tiny. It must be all but a couple of inches long. It's probably about half an inch across the little lens there. And yet it gives you the power of what would have been these massive big ones that you would have God knows how many batteries inside to work it. And this is all rechargeable in here. So as soon as you put it back into here, it just starts to charge the dock straight away. So it'll start to charge it straight away. So it's ideal in the car, just in your pocket. I mean, that fits in your pocket, no problem at all. Yeah, I've got an affiliate link which I'm going to put down below, and that is also going to give you a discount. Now this orange one here is available from the 27th of this month. So please go and check them out. They've not only got this torch on there, they've got loads of them, but I can honestly say it's probably the best torch I've actually had my hands on. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and thank you very much for watching.